This isn't your average convention. It's where everyday people turn $2 ideas into $1 million realities. What is CoCreate? It's the world's premier sourcing event hosted by Alibaba.com, where global e-commerce sellers, retailers, and wholesalers connect directly with top manufacturers and industry experts. For 2 days, businesses like yours get a chance to discover innovative products, explore smarter supply chain solutions, and build partnerships that can change the game. And this year, I was there to experience it all. All right, this is our first day at the Alibaba.com CoCreate 2025.
Wait, let's see it. Can we see it?
Imagine walking into a room full of energy that every seat's already taken and the event hasn't even started yet. That was the opening of CoCreate. I got there 15 minutes early and still people were standing shoulder to shoulder waiting for something big. The introduction set the tone beautifully. It wasn't about competition, it was about building together.
Together, we can make it. Together, we can co-create.
And then came the inspiration. One of the speakers, Daryl Spencer, who's also from Chicago, stepped on stage. Honestly, it was my first time hearing of him, but his story, his message, and his journey hit home. Even though he's a multi-millionaire and I'm nowhere near that level yet, the struggles he talked about felt familiar. It was proof that no matter the industry, challenges connect us.
If you ever doubt yourself, remember this. I've been there. If I can stand here, so can you.
And just when I thought the energy couldn't get higher, the president of Alibaba.com came on stage. He unveiled the latest tools, innovations, and strategies that are shaping the global business right now. It wasn't just an opening speech, it felt like a roadmap for the future.
Together, with innovation and collaboration, we can make it. Thank you.
That was just the start of CoCreate, and already it was unforgettable. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, unless it's too good not to share. And trust me, the games and the products at CoCreate were exactly that. There was so much going on at the event, I honestly didn't even know where to start. So I kicked things off with a game. Yes, you're never too old for games.
Nice! Winner.
After that, we dove into products, and this part blew my mind. The prices. A lot of the products here were insanely cheap compared to what you see at retail. I'm talking 5 times more expensive in stores. Don't worry, we'll break down the math in just a minute so you can see the difference for yourself. Growth doesn't happen in your comfort zone. It happens when you take a deep breath, step forward, and just start asking questions. Remember, there's no such thing as a dumb question. Next, I went freestyle and walked up to vendors. I'll be real, interviews aren't my strong suit, and sometimes I don't even know the perfect questions to ask. But if it's about growing my business, I've got to push myself and do what it takes.
How's it going? So I just got a couple questions. Do you guys customize, or do you sell blanks only?
We do all kind of custom made. Mostly is the custom made, like
Custom made?
yeah.
So do you guys have like the samples already, or do we create them ourselves?
You create from the
From scratch?
From the scratch. So
The minimum is 10?
yeah, something around stuff from 10 to 15.
10 to 15?
Yeah.
And how long does it take for shipping?
For production, normally it's about like 4 or 5 weeks.
Production 4 or 5 weeks?
Yeah, and then another
Like
1 week to ship here.
to ship? Okay. Hi, how's it going?
Good. How about you?
Do you guys sell blanks or customize?
Customize all.
Both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Both.
All wholesale? It's wholesale? What's the minimum quantity here?
This one depends on
the
the products. Because some product can 100, some products 500. And
Normally in retail in like America, how much is this? Like, how much do you think somebody will sell this in retail?
Resell, you can easily resell for $500 or $600.
So almost double the price.
Yeah,
Double the price.
absolutely.
Where are you guys located?
India.
India?
Yeah.
Oh, India, nice. So I suffer plantar fasciitis. Soles for your shoes is important, especially somebody who plays a lot of sports. I'm guessing right here you can buy them wholesale and then resell them.
Sometimes the biggest opportunities come from the smallest booth. That's what I learned talking to vendors at CoCreate. I'll be honest, I talked to almost every vendor there, some of them even twice, especially the apparel ones since clothing is my world. And here's the thing, don't let the small setups fool you. These vendors are backed by massive manufacturers in China, India, and across the globe. They supply giants like Nike, Disney, Repo, and even professional sports teams. That blew me away. It was amazing. Seeing suppliers from all over the world come together at CoCreate. That's the power of Alibaba.com's supply chain. It connects small business owners like us directly with global manufacturers, making it easier than ever to source, scale, and bring ideas to life. 200,000 on the line. That's not just a pitch. That's life-changing. After picking the brain of so many people, we sat down and listened to business owners from every corner, clothing, beauty, landscaping, all pitching their ideas and competing for that massive $200K prize. The top 10 walked away with $40K, and one winner would take home that full $200K. And let me tell you, these weren't your average startup pitches. They were sharp, professional, and polished. Watching them open up my eyes to just how many flaws I still need to work in my own business. It was humbling, but also motivating. Proof that there's always another level to reach. Day one wrapped up with an exclusive influencer launch. A room packed with massive influencers and business owners. Honestly, this is the part I regret the most. I had a chance to connect, to build relationships, to really network, but I didn't take full advantage. Truth is, I was exhausted. The day before the event, I went 24 hours without sleep. On top of that, I'm not naturally the most social person, something I'm still working on. Still, just being in that room was a reminder. Opportunities are everywhere, but it's up to us to step forward and grab them.
All right, day two, and we got speed dating with an influencer. Let's go.
To make up for my weakness in networking, I signed up myself for speed dating. Not the romantic kind, but the business kind. Here you get paired with random suppliers, influencers, or business owners. I was excited. I even showed up early. But when it came time, I found my table and sat down and waited and waited and waited. Nobody showed up. Turns out, I wasn't the only one who got stood up, which made it sting a little less. And even though my match never came, I still got the chance to meet and connect with other business owners who were just as eager to grow. So in the end, it was worth stepping into that space. Have you ever wondered how much everyday products really cost before they hit the shelves? After everything else going on, we went back to check out more products because day one was absolutely packed. That's when I spotted this thermal cup. Under $5. Wow, now compare that to Amazon, where a similar cup goes for around $20 to $35. And if you customize it, the price climbs even higher. The crazy part is, if you buy in higher bulk, you can usually work out an even better deal directly with the manufacturer. That's the type of opportunities that make events like this so powerful. Who knew business events could feel like a game show? Now, I have never been to an auction before, especially not a free one where everything you guess, you get it for free.
All right, let's start the bidding real quick. We're gonna start right over here with my man. What do we got?
30.
$30? $30. Winning bid will be Closest to $4.72. $7. Who had $7? Right here, my man.
And this turned out way more fun than I expected. All you had to do was guess the price, and whoever got closest won the product. The room was full of laughs, cheers, and even a little friendly competition. Honestly, it felt less like a business convention and more like a party, but one where you could actually walk away with free products. Nothing gets your heart racing like watching entrepreneurs pitch for the big break in front of legends. The next part was by far the most exciting. We got to watch 20 finalists pitching their products live, and not just to anyone, but in front of Damon John and Lori Grenner from Shark Tank, actor and investor Simu Liu, Everett Taylor, Justin Liu, and Stephanie Mehta. The energy in the room was electric, and the experience was absolutely unforgettable. We're finally back home. And before I share the lessons that I learned from this trip, I know a lot of people wanted to be there but couldn't make it. The good news is there's still ways to discover these products and connect with suppliers. One way is during Alibaba's.com Super September promotion. It's when you can find some of the best deals of the year with discounts up to 20% off and access to over 200,000 products, global bestsellers to holidays must-have. And the second thing, there's even more to come. Another CoCreate event is around the corner, this time in Europe, in London, and trust me, I can't wait to be there. Printing t-shirts is only 20% of having a t-shirt business. If you want to scale up, you need to increase your knowledge, and that's exactly what I took from this event. The first thing that opened my mind was realizing just how many opportunities are out there. We just don't look hard enough. You can literally start a business out of almost anything if you're willing to explore. The second lesson came from one of the speakers. Simplify who you are and what you do. He said, when you introduce yourself, people should know who you are and what you do within the first sentence. That hit hard. Being clear and simple can be a huge game changer. And the third lesson wasn't much about business, it was more about life. Having my daughter there with me was powerful. I never had opportunities like this growing up, but she does. She's the next generation, and she gets to see firsthand that she can create, build, and become whatever she loves. That's what I want to give her, an open mind to endless opportunity. So thank you Alibaba.com for this amazing experience, and everybody who's watching, keep learning, keep growing, and never stop chasing what's possible. God bless you all.